हेलो गाइस एंड वेलकम टू ऑल। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, इंडियन गवर्नमेंट हैज रिसेंटली बैंड द इंपोर्ट ऑफ लैपटॉप्स। सो हाउ दिस इज़ गोइंग टू चेंज द ऑल सिनारियो। आपको क्या करना चाहिए, ख़रीदना चाहिए या वेट करना चाहिए, कहाँ से ख़रीदना चाहिए, कौन सा लैपटॉप महंगा होगा, कौन सा सस्ता होगा, इस वीडियो में हम सब डिस्कस करेंगे। सो कीप वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड। In order to promote Make in India initiative, government has introduced production linked incentive scheme, under which if any company enrolls and starts manufacturing in India, then they will be liable to get 5% incentive on their net sales for 6 consecutive years. Moreover, government is very keen on localization of sub-components as well, such as IC and semiconductor manufacturing, and is encouraging brands to localize them in order to gain incentive beyond 5%. The target segment under PLI scheme will consist of laptop, tablets, all-in-one PCs, servers, and ultra-small form factors. Ultra-small form factors are basically micro PCs. They actually are the tiny version of their traditional desktop counterparts. Now, the reason behind this step is the huge number of PC import by India, as almost 65% of laptops sold in India are imported from countries like China, Taiwan, and Singapore, out of which staggering number of 77% of laptops are imported from China only. With this scheme, India aims to create 75,000 direct employment opportunities and 2 lakhs indirect opportunities over the span of 6 years. This will also help countries save millions of dollars in foreign exchange. The deadline to get enrolled in this scheme is set to 31st August, and according to the sources, almost 44 companies, including well-known IT giants, have registered in this scheme. Now we will look at the affected brand, how this import ban is going to affect the consumer and seller. Affected international brands would be Asus, Apple, Dell, MSI, Lenovo. Top Indian brands which will be benefited from this scheme would be SCL, Lava, AGB. Some of the companies like HP have started manufacturing few models in their manufacturing facility in India, such as HP EliteBook, ProBook and HP G8 series notebook are being made at their Chennai manufacturing facility. Similarly, Acer Aspire 3 series is being manufactured at Dixon Greater Noida facility. So probably these laptops along with the Indian brands will not see any increase in price. Now I will share an example with you where I bought an Asus laptop during Independence Day sale at rupees 87,000. The same laptop was trending at 97,000 before the Independence Day sale during July. And now the same laptop is trending at a whooping 1,14,000. So that's a price increase of almost 17k from the base price of July and almost 27,000 from the discounted price. Now the $1,000,000 question is what to do now. Since government has pushed the laptop import restriction from 31st July to 1st of November, so if you are eyeing an expensive laptop that can be used for say video creation and gaming, then I would strongly suggest to hold on to your saving and buy one during the big billion days. In my opinion, Flipkart's Big Billion Days is the best time to buy the electronic goods, as staggering discount will be offered on the laptops, mobiles and other electronics items. And I also believe that in short term, price escalation will be evident due to the import restrictions, but in longer term, price is gonna fall down once international brands start their manufacturing facilities and start localizing laptop components. Then ultimately, it will create a win-win situation for all. And don't forget, there will be a particular day that would be reserved for laptop only. So in order to get maximum benefit, Flipkart seller will be offering huge discount on first few quantities only. And whosoever clicks at 12M will get the maximum benefit. This is a trick I have exploited over the years on Flipkart in order to get the maximum discount. The one last thing that I have to mention is to avoid any scam, as you might have heard many stories that people receiving bricks instead of an iPhone. Then always keep in your mind that whenever you are ordering any high value item from Flipkart or any other e-commerce site, then always let the delivery guy unbox the item for you, and you need to share OTP with the delivery guy only after fully inspecting your item. You can see how I made Flipkart guy to unbox my Asus laptop while taking the delivery. I have dropped the video link in the description, so do watch it. So that's it guys, thank you for watching the video and please subscribe to my channel. I will keep making such informative videos for you, and if you have any question then please do ask in comments. I'll take my leave now. See you soon. Goodbye for now.